Hi everybody, it's Hey John, and welcome to my channel where I jabber opportunities nonstop. If you're joining me today is going to be amazing. I have tons of news to share with all of you, and you do not want to, and you want to make sure you subscribe and like these videos, okay? The reason why I say subscribe because you never know when I am going to drop a live stream and share some awesome news with you live, okay? So we are tuning in live right now. We have amazing news, and let me start covering it. So let's start off today with the current price of Dogecoin. It's at 13.6 currently, okay? It broke out up to about 14 cents some change here, okay? About 14.11. That is phenomenal. This is not a technical analysis video, but I'll stop it right there and move on now, okay? The current price of Dogecoin is 13.6174, and guess what? You can see it live rolling as we speak here. So let me get into the news, all right? So check this out. Check this out. So we got here Benzinga reporting. Benzinga is a syndication that, guess what? They report about Dogecoin and all kinds of news here. So the title says Elon Musk launches Dogecoin to the moon. Yep, again, who's counting? I don't know, people. I lost count myself as well. What I do know is Dogecoin is rising and it's going to the moon, okay? So check it out. Tesla Inc. Nasdaq CEO Elon Musk has let out more tweets alluding to the meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin Doge. Absolutely. As you know, our leader, the e-god, Elon Musk himself, is always dropping out tweets. If you were with me last night for a previous live stream, guess what? We caught those tweets live when it happened. And guess what? We saw some huge volume buys when it happened as well. So, what happened? The Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrency seemed to be on Musk's mind on Wednesday night when he tweeted a stick figure peering at the moon through a telescope. Okay, about that right there, okay? Last night, when that happened right here, right? When Elon Musk dropped that tweet, we saw about 8 million buy volume happen on the charts and the sticks live. It was phenomenal. We saw a nice price action, a nice candlestick due to Elon Musk. He helped us break through a key resistance. Musk also made a possible reference on Twitter to the 1943 best-selling French novella La Petite Prince, which is centered around a young prince who goes on an interplanetary exploration. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I do not need to tell you already, okay? We are already, as a Dogecoin investor, Dogecoin enthusiast, guess what? We are already going to the moon, okay? Last time I checked, I got my spacesuit on. Do you have yours? Um, when asked by a Wall Street Bets moderator if his telescope tweet was a work by the artist Pablo Picasso, Musk replied it was a Doge barking at the moon. Check this out. Check this out. Our boy Elon Musk, the e-god himself, is dropping off amazing tweets here. And we saw a live last night as well. When Elon Musk dropped the tweet, guess what? We saw another about adding 8 to 10 million volume buy in Dogecoin, thus creating another nice green candlestick to pump us up. That is fantastic. So here, why it matters. Doge inched towards the 15-cent mark on Thursday, touching an intraday high of 14.25, but simmered down to 13.81 at press time. Okay, that is true. We reached all-time highs. The current all-time high of Dogecoin is about 14.5. Okay, 14.5. If we break that, we are going to see 15 cents in the near term. Okay, for sure. So that's this article here. Let's go over to the next article here. Check this out. Check this out. Another syndication. All right. Another syndication here. Three reasons Dogecoin is up 123% this week, hitting 10 cents for the first time. This is amazing, people. This is amazing. It is true. For the first time in history, Dogecoin has reached double digits. Okay, hitting 10 cents. Doge, the native cryptocurrency of Dogecoin, rose 123% in the past 7 days as the altcoin market saw a resurgence in momentum. Yes, we saw that. And it's amazing. Dogecoin is doing all sorts of amazing things for us. Okay, we love Dogecoin, and Dogecoin loves us back. The price of Dogecoin has rallied by more than 123% this week, hitting a new all-time high of 13 cents on strong technical momentum. I'm going to say this is more than just technical momentum. This is the people joining into the Dogecoin, okay? We have the Coinbase rally. We have that kind of rumor, okay? It's being listed. It's being IPO'd, okay? It dropped already. And people believe that, Coinbase is going to do magical and incredible things for the Dogecoin and the cryptocurrency space. And guess what it is? That's why you're seeing all of the cryptocurrency, altcoins, Bitcoin, all rising with the markets because of this phenomenal news here. It has been competing against Chainlink's link for the top 10 spot, with both cryptocurrency hovering at around 17 billion in market capitalization. That is very true. That is very true. At the time of this recording here, Dogecoin was probably ranked 16 or ranked 17 in the past day or two. And guess what? We are now ranked 10 or 9 as of this recording here. That is phenomenal, okay? 17 billion market cap is no joke. If you think that, I do not know what to tell you, okay? Dogecoin is no longer a joke, all right? You got to believe in it. If you don't believe in it, you need to believe in it. There are three major reasons why Doge saw a steep climb over the past 7 days. These include Elon Musk's tweet, the resurgence of altcoins, and the positive sentiment around crypto in general. Well, you know what to say that? I know for April, in general, for April is usually an altcoin month where you see a nice rise in altcoins. So you know what? This is pretty much a cyclical market here. And every April we see a bounce in altcoins. And guess what? This year is no different. This year is no different. Altcoin markets rally strongly with positive sentiment throughout the past week. Many of the OG altcoins, such as XRP, Tron, Stellar, saw massive rallies following Bitcoin surge to a new all-time high above $64,000. By the way, if you don't know that, that is amazing. Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs all day, every day. I've seen predictions of people saying Bitcoin is going to $100,000. You know what? At this rate, I believe it. It's going to happen. And guess what? When Bitcoin does well, Dogecoin does well, okay? Bitcoin is Dogecoin's big brother, so they're going to take care of us. You know what? That's good, man. Let's follow them. Let's follow them. All right, then. XRP, for example, broke above 150 for the first time in over 3 years, showing that profits from Bitcoin and Ether, let's see here, and Ether are possibly cycling into altcoins in the short term. Okay, as I said before to you guys, traditionally speaking, April is the month of altcoins, and if people are taking money out of the bitcoins and they want to make some easy gains, guess what they're doing? They are cycling into altcoins such as Dogecoin, etc. And we are seeing that based on the volume here. Kevin Ko, a partner at Spartan Group, one of the largest DeFi-focused funds in Asia, explained that this trend happens periodically because quant funds trade the convergence between Bitcoin and altcoins. Yes, okay. Do you know why people do that? It's very simple, because they want to make money. And as you know, the stock market, we have cyclical markets where they rotate. When they rotate, you move with the money and you make money. And when the market rotates from here to here, the current thing here goes down and this one goes up. So when it goes down here and you have some money, you want to do a dip buying opportunity if you're a long-term investor. So this is fantastic, okay? The reason this happens periodically is because there are a bunch of quant funds out there that play the convergence trade between Bitcoin and a handful of liquid alts. By the way, people, a liquid alt is, guess what? Dogecoin is a very, very liquid alternative coin. Think about that. The volume we're seeing lately, incredible. I've been seeing 2 billion a day. Insane. Okay. Whenever these alts look cheap relative to Bitcoin, they pile in. When they look expensive, they rotate back to BTC. No fundamentals involved, so don't try too hard to rationalize the moves. Okay, by the way, people, I did explain earlier before. I said when you leave here, it's going to go down, and you go here, it's going to go up. So basically, we're seeing altcoins go up because people are leaving Bitcoin to altcoins because what? They're seeing dip buying opportunities. So when Bitcoin goes down and they go to altcoins, you're going to see the altcoins inflate and go to the moon. And then when Bitcoin goes down and it's kind of cheap again, guess what? These same investors are going to drop their altcoins and go back to Bitcoin because they are seeing a dip buying opportunity, okay? This is basic trading fundamentals here. Make that money. This strategy has proven effective over time, and there are enough managers to playing this that it becomes self-fulfilling and keep recurring. Yes, this is literally technical analysis 101. Okay, basically we have cyclical markets, and guess what? If everyone believes it, it's kind of the thing, where they make it happen. All right, so check it out here. The general increase in the momentum of the altcoin market played a major role in fueling Dogecoin's overall momentum throughout the past few days. Technical traders have echoed a similar sentiment about the strong rally of altcoins the past week. Rect Capital. Is the altcoin market setting itself up for a dip in the short term? It's a possibility. I would say so, okay? Because guess what? In Dogecoin, we are seeing all-time highs of 14.5. It almost doubled in a few days here. So are we at, inflated? Are we seeing that crazy momentum? Absolutely, because money is flooding in. And when money floods in, guess what? Money's going to flood out. So these same people buying, there are people selling as well. So it goes both ways. But pullbacks from here will not only be a healthy development for altcoins, but also a necessary one for many of them to confirm higher timeframe breakouts before further upside. I could not agree more. Okay, right now we are seeing Dogecoin break to all-time highs of 14.5, and we are seeing consolidation bases on different 1 minute time zones. Of course, I am using the 1 minute time zones because we are in uncharted territory, and guess what? We have no technical analysis to back it up. That is why I am using the temporary 1 minute chart to do that, and you can catch it in my other videos. However, another well-known cryptocurrency trader, Loma, said that the fundamentals surrounding most altcoins haven't changed. Therefore, if traders trade altcoins that are breaking out based on technical analysis but disregard the technical aspect of it, there is a high chance of the trade becoming unsuccessful. That is very true, because what Loma is saying here is that you need to remember the fundamentals. What are the building blocks behind these moves? If it is just because of a typical seasonal movement of money from here to here, and it happens almost every year at the same time, well, guess what? The fundamentals are pretty basic. You're going to buy here and you're going to sell here. When a month ends, you're going to sell it off. It's very straightforward here. You do not need to be a rocket genius here, okay? Everyone knows this. Even little X right now at his age knows this kind of stuff, all right? All right. Elon Musk tweets about the Doge. In addition to the technical momentum of altcoins, which directly fueled the uptrend of Dogecoin, Musk tweeted about Doge on Thursday once again. Okay, Musk wrote, "Doge barking at the moon" was a meme that hints at higher Doge prices. The price of a cryptocurrency can easily skyrocket when a public figure or well-known recognized influencer tweets about a less liquid altcoin. At this time, and this time was no different. Doge barking at the moon. By the way, I'm going to say it again. Last night when this happened, we were doing a live, and when that happened, we saw about 8 million buy volume each time, and Elon Musk tweeted twice within maybe half an hour of each other. That is amazing. That is why you want to invest in Dogecoin, because the god himself, the techno king, the Tesla of kings, right? He is behind the Dogecoin, all right? He believes in it, so you should believe in him. Dogecoin's Elon's favorite crypto, now accepted by America's oldest wine merchant. By the way, folks, if you haven't already subscribed and liked, do me a huge favor and do that, okay? Because you want to catch the breaking news as it happens. I am doing this live for you right now. So you want to make sure you smash the subscribe button and smash the like button so you are aware and notified of the next news here. Because guess what? Dogecoin is blowing up, and you got to have the latest news when it drops. So you want to make sure you take care of yourself here. Acker, which claims to be the oldest and most respected wine shop in America and the largest global wine auction house, has announced that it is now accepting a select group of crypto assets, which includes Dogecoin for payment and at auction and retail. People, this is phenomenal. You got to think about this for a second here. Acker, the oldest and most respected wine shop in America, they are targeting a different demographic, right? People who buy wine at auctions, guess what? These people are incredibly wealthy, okay? And incredibly wealthy people like to make money, and they like to invest. So this is literally putting the Dogecoin in front of wealthy investors here, so we can see potential new whales coming into the Doge crypto space. Who knows when, but I can see it happening if this happens here. According to Acker's press release, it will accept Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Pax, Gemini Dollar, and BUSD with the help of cryptocurrency payment processor BitPay. By the way, BitPay has been a big proponent of Dogecoin rising. Okay, BitPay has a ton of affiliates here, tons of customers that use them to process their payments here. We have luxury hotels, we have cars dealerships, we have all kinds of little restaurants, etc., etc. BitPay is going to be extremely helpful for the cryptocurrency market, and they are showing their clout right now by working with Acker. Acker chairman John Capone had this to say: cryptocurrencies are no longer a passing fad, and as one of the oldest licensed business in America, Acker is proud to accept this novel form of payment as we continue to evolve in our third century as a company. Okay, people. Acker has been around for third century, 300 years, people. Even 300-year-old companies can be taught new tricks. So why can't Doge teach you a new trick, all right? Cryptocurrency is here to stay, and we are excited to offer these additional options for payment in this ever-changing and shifting world. We look forward to growing our already robust network of wine lovers and making more exciting announcements in the digital space soon. This is fantastic. Imagine Acker offers you wine and you can buy it, digitally with Dogecoin, and it gets shipped to your house. This is a step in the right direction, and I salute you, Acker. You are doing great things for the cryptocurrency space. Thank you so much for your patronage. Let's see here. As for Dogecoin, which appears to be Tesla CEO Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, around 452 UTC on crypto exchange Bittrex, the price hit 1438, which is currently today's intraday high. Of course, that's as of the recording right there. All right, then, let's see here. Doge taps a lifetime price high. Mark Cuban says Dallas Mouth Shop won't sell its Dogecoin. I believe Mark Cuban threw out a tweet saying he has over 122K in Dogecoin transactions. I believe Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban here, he is big into Ethereum. He holds tons of it, okay? And guess what? He is going to hold tons of Dogecoin by selling his Dallas Maverick merch to you when you buy it with a Dogecoin. And guess what? He is going to see incredible gains on his investment by just accepting Dogecoin, okay? By trading, Dogecoins for Dallas Mavericks merchandise. Of course, when the Dogecoin price increases, guess what? He will get lesser and lesser Dogecoin per purchase, but that's okay though. Mark Cuban is going to become another whale, and guess what? When Mark Cuban becomes a whale by selling his merch to you, merch, you're going to see the float get smaller and smaller and smaller. And when the float gets smaller and smaller and smaller, guess what? It is way easier to push Dogecoin to the moon. So let's see here. This week, a number of digital assets saw significant gains. But the meme-themed digital asset Dogecoin has seen a significant rise during the last 48 hours. Dogecoin tapped a high of 14.3 per unit on Wednesday and has spiked more than 104% during the last week. Meanwhile, the billionaire investor and television personality Mark Cuban says the Dallas Mavericks has been seeing increased Dogecoin sales. By the way, whenever your asset increases in prices, guess what? You're going to feel more wealthy. And when you feel more wealthy, guess what? You're going to want to stimulate the economy. You are going to want to stimulate the economy by spending money. And people are just doing that. And people are exactly just doing that. Dogecoin skyrockets to new heights. Food Network star Guy Fieri gives a shout out to Shiba Inu crypto. By the way, I did drop a retweet about that when it happened almost immediately. Guy Fieri is a celebrity chef. Okay, we are even seeing celebrity chefs now joining into the crypto space. This is amazing. These are unprecedented times. Okay, can we get David Ramsey? Can we get David Gordon? The guy on Hell's Kitchen to support cryptocurrency. I sure hope so. Someone let him know, please. Dogecoin The meme, the meme token that was launched on December 6, 2013, has skyrocketed to new heights on Wednesday, 2021, has been quite the year for Doge traders, as the crypto asset touched an all-time high at 14.3 per unit on April 14th. Yes, this is a recent phenomenon. It happened only a day or two ago. And ladies and gentlemen, you are in. If you are investing in Dogecoin, you are literally in Dogecoin history. This is the first time, literally this week, when we have reached double digits, okay? Double digits meaning 0.10 and above. Before we were always at 0.09, 0.08, etc. here. So you are literally an investor in the future right now. Phenomenal, fantastic. The digital currency has jumped more than 104% against the US dollar in 7 days, and during the last week gained 82% against Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency featuring the likeness of the Shiba Inu dog has also seen a massive 1,181% gain in 3 months' time. Okay, people, that I mean 1,100% in 3 months' time. Where in the world are you gonna see 1,200% gains in 3 months? I mean, you can probably invest in the S&P 500 for the rest of your life, and you may not see this amount of gains. This is amazing. This is life changing. If you're a daily retail trader investing in Dogecoin, you are taking the next step to financial freedom. And I have nothing to say, but I applaud you on your amazing journey here. Elon Musk has always been a fan of Dogecoin, and other celebrities have been open Doge fans as well. This week, the star of the American food reality television show Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives, Guy Fieri, took Dogecoin to Flavortown, USA, when he tweeted about the meme coin on April 13th. By the way, people, people who watch Guy Fieri and cooking channels, well, you know what? He is appealing to a different demographic that you and I probably don't even watch these kind of shows. But guess what? He is exposing Dogecoin to new people and thus far expanding the Dogecoin reach and the Dogecoin community and Dogecoin family. This is why I tell you guys and gals here to smash the subscribe button and smash the like button, because you won't get this news live when it drops, okay? And guess what? I am doing my part to spread the Dogecoin gospel. So help me out in that journey by smashing those two buttons, the subscribe and like. It's very simple and you can do it. Rolling out to the moon. Fury tweeted with a rocket emoji and a Dogecoin hashtag. Overnight trading EST then saw the crypto token gather more than 20% during the course of the day on April 14th. Oh my word, that is phenomenal. Dallas Mavs owner and Shark Tank investor Mark Cuban says Dogecoin sales have increased this month. Again, people, when people feel wealthy, guess what? They spend money. And this is phenomenal news here. We want to see Dogecoin be used as a currency, okay? It is important to hodl, but it is also important to use it as well. Musk's company, Tesla, also accepts Bitcoin these days, and the company keeps BTC on a balance sheet as well. Moreover, if someone is to purchase a Tesla with Bitcoin, Musk said the electric car firm doesn't plan to convert the BTC into fiat. By the way, when Musk does this is literally a visionary thing, okay? It's very simple, all right? When you buy a vehicle, it is a depreciating asset. When you buy a stock or a cryptocurrency, it's a possible inflationary asset, okay? So basically what that means is what that means is Elon Musk is selling a car to you that's going to become lesser value in the future, but he's trading it in for a currency that's going to increase in the future. And while Elon does not have no plans to convert Bitcoin to fiat US dollars, because guess what? The fiat US dollar is getting printed into oblivion. And guess what? When you have Bitcoin, you are hedging against that oblivion right there. So Elon Musk is a visionary, and he is doing a phenomenal and smart business decision. In a very similar move, Mark Cuban, a well-known investor and one of the hosts on Shark Tank, explained on April 13th that the Dallas Mavericks have been getting a lot of Dogecoin sales and the team is not selling. By the way, Mark Cuban is another wealthy investor. He's another very rich man in America. Okay, we know Elon Musk is one of the richest men in the world here. So these people kind of do what other person does, because guess what? Their little circle is very small. Of course, they're all competitors, but at the same token, they all copy each other. Look at Apple and Google. All right, iOS versus Android. I mean, yeah, they have their differences and nuances, but they're very similar in nature, because you know what? They're all in the same circle and they copy each other. These patterns and behaviors here. Let's see here. FYI, the MEV sales in Dogecoin have increased 550% over the past month. Cuban explained, we have now sold more than 122k Doge in merchandise. We will never sell one single Doge ever, so keep buying at the Dallas Mouse shop. Okay, folks, you know what? The man is throwing out some marketing for himself, and that's very smart, because guess what? He's a businessman, right? He's here to make money. If the Mavs are planning to keep Dogecoin on its balance sheet, then the NBA team just might be the first corporate entity to do so with a meme-based coin. In addition to the Triple D's, Fieri, Richard Ray Rawlings, star of Discovery's Fast and Loud, also mentioned Doge this week. Forget it, I'm on the Dogecoin train now, to the moon, Rawlings tweeted. Okay, that is phenomenal, right? We have celebrities, we have all kinds of people pumping the Dogecoin. This is why we are seeing incredible gains, and the fact that we are seeing a rotation into the altcoin market. Okay, people, if you don't believe in Dogecoin, and if this does not make you a believer, and you're seeing over 1,100% gains in 3 months doesn't make you a believer, I do not know what to tell you. I do not know what to tell you. Furthermore, the customized high-performance gaming PC company iBuyPower also talked about Dogecoin on social media. The official Twitter account for iBuyPower told its 190,000 plus followers. Should we add Dogecoin as a form of payment, asking for a friend? You know what, iBuyPower, I'm going to respond to you as a friend. Yes, a resounding yes. Do it. Do it. It's good for you. It's good for business, okay? Do it. Meanwhile, across many nations, the term Dogecoin and Doge have been trending on social media. The term Dogecoin and on Google Trends indicates the word is rising in the US in terms of queries. The trend is the same on a worldwide search, and similarly, the term Doge is rising as well globally on GT. At the time of publication, Doge is exchanging hands for 12.13 to 13.2. Well, guess what? Well, guess what, folks? It's currently at 13.6, people. We are rising nonstop all day, every day. Let's see here. By the way, at MarketWatch, this is phenomenal. Coinbase listing has fueled a lot of frenzy, and that never ends well. Bitcoin bull Novogratz tells MarketWatch. By the way, folks, we are seeing Dogecoin being announced on MarketWatch, one of the largest syndications, for people who want to invest in finance here. So if you're seeing Bitcoin here or Dogecoin here, guess what? You are in the prime time for sure. Wealthy investors, Mike Novogratz, speculate that Bitcoin could be worth $100,000 by the end of 2021 and sees the value increasing 5-fold by 2024 as the nascent crypto market continues to evolve and grow. But first, the industry may face a bit of near-term reckoning. By the way, when Mike says this, he's referring to something called the Bitcoin winter. And that happens all the time. People always talk about the Bitcoin winter, the cryptocurrency winter. Who knows if it'll happen? Because you have cycles, right? Where it goes, you have a bull market and you have a bear market. It's very cyclical. We have those kind of things, but guess what? The cryptocurrency market has not been long enough to have that kind of significant charts to determine that. But guess what? We did have a winter a few years back. So you know what? Maybe we are on the precipice of going to the next winter. But you know what? Who knows? We gotta watch the charts, we gotta watch the news and see what happens. The CEO of Galaxy Digital and prominent crypto proponent said that a lot of euphoria has been generated by the Coinbase IPO, but warned that the market could be in store for a washout. He pointed to the fervor for altcoins or alternative bitcoins, such as Dogecoin and XRP, the token running on Ripple Labs protocol ahead of Coinbase's offerings. By the way, people, everyone keeps on asking me, hey, John, what about XRP? What about XRP? I say no to XRP because of a lawsuit. I know you folks believe it's it's a small thing. They're gonna win it, etc., etc., etc. Here, all I have to say to that is, why would you go to XRP? There in the cryptocurrency market, there is tons of low-hanging fruit, and you do not need to go to anything with bad reputation. Why bother? And the fact that right here, Dogecoin is getting a shout out, even a little word in Market Watch, CNBC Market Watch here. We are seeing amazing stuff here for Dogecoin. If you're not a believer, you better be a believer, because Dogecoin is coming, and it's came, and it's here to stay. In the next week, certainly, we could have some volatility because of the excitement around Coinbase. The former Goldman Sachs partner said during the week of an investing in crypto virtual event series hosted by MarketWatch and Barron's on Wednesday. Folks, Barron's and MarketWatch, these are the financial powerhouse, financial syndications here. And the fact that we are seeing cryptocurrencies becoming involved, being mentioned, being talked about on these syndications tells you that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. And guess what? If you're getting in today, if you're getting in tomorrow, you are still way ahead of the curve. There is going to be massive gains here to be made, okay? You just need to have you just need to do some due diligence and some research and start investing when you feel comfortable with it. That said, Novogratz remains bullish on Bitcoin and Coinbase on the whole, and said he views the Coinbase IPO as a monumental for the crypto industry. I've seen a lot of weird coins like Dogecoin and even XRP have huge retail spikes, which means there is a lot of frenzy right now, Novogratz said. That never ends well. And so we will probably have a washout at one point. He said one of the broader markets. You know what? That could be very true, because traditionally speaking, whenever you have new all-time highs, guess what? You kind of dip down. But this time, I would say, could be possibly different. The last time we had an all-time high, we dropped almost immediately back to 3 cents. But guess what? This time we're seeing all-time highs, and guess what? We're seeing more and more and more and new all-time highs as the time moves on every single day. So you know what? That saying says right here, right? History sure doesn't repeat itself, but it sure rhymes. But this time, I think it's different, I'm going to say it's different this time. Ahead of Coinbase listing, I'm sorry, Coinbase closed up more than 30% from its $250 reference price on Wednesday, at one point touching a market value above $100 billion. It's closed at 328, off from its intraday peak at 430. Folks, this is huge, okay? Coinbase is a huge cryptocurrency platform where people trade cryptocurrency. The fact that Coinbase is going to be worth $100 billion, that just tells you how much transactions they're doing. And the fact that how many people believe in cryptocurrency, okay? It's only a matter of time before people on regular retail street start to invest into Dogecoin and Bitcoin, etc. here. Because once you get into the prime time, like MarketWatch or Barron here, guess what? You will start seeing Fidelity, you will start seeing Vanguard and all these other bigger, older institutions start to, adopt cryptocurrency in their portfolios to give their investors trading and investing opportunities. Ahead of the Coinbase listing, Bitcoin 0.30% touched a record near 65,000, and Dogecoin value surged to a record over 10 cents, representing a more than 20% daily surge for the digital asset that was created as a joke currency back in 2013 and has become a meme in the social media community. People, this is amazing here. Amazing. If you don't believe in Dogecoin, I don't know what to tell you, man. I do not know what to tell you. And you want to make sure you smash the subscribe button and smash the like button, okay? Because you want to catch these news live when they happen, when they drop. And you want me to cover, and you want to see my technical analysis I dropped for you guys. It is important if you are investing. You want to get the fundamentals and technicals in order to become a savvy investor. So check this out. This is my Twitter page. If you want to follow my Twitter, go in the link in the there's a link in the description below. So last night when it happened live, I retweeted this as it happened in the live stream, and we saw phenomenal gains of about 60 million volume total from two Elon Musk tweets. Okay, one was a telescope showing to the moon with the Le Petit reference. Okay, and then we saw the Doge barking at the moon. Phenomenal, fantastic. Let's see here. Let's see here. The next year, I Buy Power, the professional gaming company. I went to their Twitter page right now. Check it out. Should we add Doge as a form of payment? Asking for a friend. You know what? I'm gonna quote tweet it and retweet it. I'm gonna say, hey, it's hey John, and I'm your friend. I'm your friend, and I say yes. Do it. Dogecoin. Oops. What's it? Oh, I spelled it wrong. No, why is it popping up? Yes. And I will also retweet this, okay? This is a phenomenal. I Buy Power is a big professional gaming company where they create amazing custom built PCs where they overclock it, all this kind of stuff, and they tweak the heck out of it. This is amazing here. Let's see here. On Reddit. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then they win. Guess what here? This is amazing here. We are on CNBC here, live on CNBC when this picture was taken, okay? You're seeing Dogecoin up 2,600%. It is outshining Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, all the big boys here, okay? All right? When you see this picture here, what do you think? You think, man, I am going to make some buku bucks. I am going to make some big money here, okay? This is amazing. I like this meme here because it's kind of like the whole Michael Jordan thing right here, right? Where he says, you know what? And I took that personally. You know what? You know what? The Dogecoin takes everything personally, okay? If you don't invest in Dogecoin takes it personally. Let's see here. Another retweet I'm sorry, another Reddit post about this here. I Buy Power, you know? Emphasizing this, okay? This is amazing. I Buy Power getting noticed on Reddit here, on Dogecoin subreddit here, okay? This is amazing. Amazing. Check it out here. Another reference again on the Squawk Box. If you don't know what the Squawk Box is, the Squawk Box is a paid thing where guess what? You get insider news and stuff like that. Check this out here. Cryptocurrencies. You're seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and most of all, our favorite coin, the Dogecoin. Okay, Ripple, XRP. Hey, guess what? You have all kinds of coins that are worth more than Dogecoin. But guess what? Why are they not being listed here? You know why? Because Dogecoin is a people's coin, and everyone loves a people's coin. All right. Okay, dokie. All right then. Hey, everybody. I am going to end the stream here. This is Hey John here. You are going to make sure you smash the subscribe button and smash a like button, okay? Because I drop live streams daily. I drop Dogecoin news daily, and I drop Dogecoin technical analysis daily. So if you want to get on all those kind of information, you're gonna make sure you subscribe, okay? And it's Hey John. I jabber opportunities nonstop, and I will catch you all on the next one.